Hey guys, so, I'm here. It's been a while since I've actually done a haul, and I wanted to do one. So yeah, I'm gonna get on with it, and I went to Bath & Body Works, and they had a sale where if you spend $40, you get a VIP bag, which is pretty much, if you buy just the bag itself, the VIP bag, it retails for $100, I think, and you get it for $20. Unfortunately, when I went into Bath & Body Works, which I love the bags, they're so cute. When I went, they told me that the bags go figure freaking sold out at the beginning of the day. So, but they also do, which they do frequently, the buy 3 get 3 free. So I bought the warm vanilla sugar, which I bought my favorite, which is my staple, my go-to body mist, which is the Bath & Body Works warm vanilla sugar. And usually I get just a regular fragrance mist, but this time I said, you know what, I'm going to try the Diamond Body Mist, which I'm kind of excited for. I got and this retails for $16 US. So they're a little bit steep, but it's Bath & Body Works, of course, going to be expensive. I also bought a Vanilla Sugar Golden Sugar Scrub, which this one's $16.50. This actually, I'm excited for it because I've never tried the sugar scrub. And the body lotion, which I'm very excited for. Which is pretty much, you know, when actually, oh yeah, if you smell this, if you know what this smells like, it smells amazing. Obviously, some people have different, you know, preferences and don't really like this one, but I love the smell. I love the sweet smell. Like, that's my favorite. I have a lot of friends telling me this, like, you need to try this, you need to try this, you need to try this, like, ASAP now. Like, you need to buy it ASAP. If you don't, I swear I'm gonna kill you. No, I'm just kidding. They wouldn't do that. They wouldn't believe me. So, I bought the Japanese Cherry Blossom, which I haven't tried, and I'm pretty excited to try it, actually. I bought the Fine Fragrance Mist, which I just bought this one. I didn't buy the Shimmer Mist. I bought the Golden Sugar Scrub, and I also bought the thing right here, the body lotion. I also bought, which I'm not going to show anybody, a present. Not really a present, but a gift, a Christmas gift for my grandma. And obviously, I don't know if my grandma will see this, and I don't want her to see what I got her, so, yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much all I'm gonna do. That's pretty much all I bought. I don't know if I'll get any other stuff, but if I do, I will be putting up a video. So yeah, stay tuned for that, guys. And I will see y'all later. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. And if you don't celebrate Thanksgiving in your country, hope you had a great Thursday. And I hope you have a great Friday. And I hope you have great Christmas and New Year's and full of love and joy. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace, love, and happiness, y'all. Deuces.